Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to our 4,000 walking tour of the charming town of Saint-Tropez. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty of this gem nestled in the French Riviera. Let's kick things off with a visual feast as we showcase the stunning coastline and vibrant streets of Saint-Tropez. The picturesque scenery is sure to captivate you right from the start. Now, let me introduce you to the charm and allure of Saint-Tropez. This luxurious coastal town is known for its upscale vibe, beautiful beaches, and rich history. Get ready to be enchanted by its unique atmosphere. As we delve deeper into our exploration, one of the challenges that visitors often face is deciding where to begin their adventure in this picturesque destination. With so many attractions to choose from, it can be a delightful dilemma. Join me on a 4,000 walking tour through the iconic harbor, quaint cobblestone streets, and bustling markets of Saint-Tropez. Let's soak in the vibrant energy and cultural richness of this mesmerizing town. Now, brace yourself for a key moment as we reach the citadel of Saint-Tropez. From this vantage point, we'll be treated to a breathtaking panoramic view that showcases the town's beauty in all its glory. It's a sight to behold, and you won't want to miss it. As our journey comes to an end, let's take a moment to reflect on the main attractions and the overall charm of Saint-Tropez. This town truly leaves a lasting impression, and I hope you've enjoyed exploring it with me. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. If you're eager for more 4,000 walking tours like this one, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. Thank you for joining me on this virtual adventure, and until next time, happy travels!